Welcome to another RMS Support tutorial. Today we will introduce and demonstrate a new feature that restores the ability to add contractor staff while streamlining the assignment of user roles in contractor mode. Prior to this update, the contractor staff module in the main navigation was replaced by the linked staff module. Because the linked staff module does not offer the same functionality as the contractor staff module, this change created confusion for users and made it more difficult to perform common staff management tasks. By selecting the Linked Staff tab, you will still be able to view and update roles for all staff for all users in this tab. As an example, we will select a random user and select the Edit button. This menu will allow us to change the account ID and update the user role. By selecting the Change Account ID option, this will overwrite the current user's permissions. Choosing the Yes option allows us to grant access to a user from the staff member lookup. Once selected, click the OK button. If no user role is assigned, RMS will display a validation issue as a contract user role is required before continuing. You may also update roles for multiple users for multiple contracts by selecting the Update Roles option. RMS will warn that role changes are permanent. Select Yes to continue. Now we can double-click to display the ellipses and choose the appropriate role for these example users. Within the Contractor Staff tab, users can add, edit, and delete contractor staff directly from this section. Previously, these actions could only be performed from the Contractor Staff tab within the Prime Contractor module. All existing functionality remains unchanged. This update simply restores access to these features in the Contractor Staff tab for improved usability. If you encounter any issues while performing these tasks, please contact the Help Desk support team by submitting a support ticket or calling the help desk. Our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.